The 5 best businesses to start online today. Hey there, fellow empire builders. Welcome back to my Empire Pro. I'm Ola, and if you're new here, this channel is all about learning, earning, and building empires in this digital era. I've been in the professional and entrepreneurial game for over 15 years now, and today we're diving into a topic that's super close to my heart. 5 businesses to start online today. Now, I know the online world can be overwhelming. There are so many options, and it's hard to know where to start. But don't worry, I've got you covered. We're going to explore 5 fantastic online businesses you start today, each with its unique perks and opportunities. Plus, I'll be sharing some personal stories to give you a little insight into how these businesses can change your life. Let's get started. 1. Consulting business. First up, we have consulting business. This is a great option if you have expertise in a particular field and love helping others succeed. Whether it's business, marketing, finance, or even life coaching, consulting can be incredibly rewarding. Let me tell you about Sarah, a financial advisor who felt unfulfilled working for a big corporation. She had been in the finance industry for over a decade, but found herself feeling stuck and wanting more impact. And she started offering financial advice to friends and family on the side. When she realized that her advice was making a significant impact on their financial health, Sarah decided to go full-time. Within a year, she had a steady stream of clients. Now, you might be wondering how Sarah achieved this transformation. She leveraged my 3 core pillar framework to digital marketing, which focuses on value, system, people. Let's break it down. First, Sarah identified her unique value proposition. She realized that her strength lay in simplifying complex financial concepts and providing actionable advice that anyone could follow. She created valuable content, blog posts, webinars, and ebooks that showcased her expertise and provided free practical advice. This content not only helped potential clients, but also built her credibility and authority in the field. Next, Sarah built a robust system to manage her business efficiently. Using automation tools such as CRMs and CMS, all linked in the description box below, she streamlined her client onboarding process, scheduled our consultations, and managed our communications. She set up an email marketing system to nurture leads and keep our audience engaged with regular valuable content. This system allowed her to focus more on delivering value to her clients rather than getting bogged down by administrative tasks. Lastly, Sarah focused on people. She understood the importance of building relationships and trust with her clients. She used social media platforms to engage with her audience, answer their questions, and provide personalized advice. She also participated in online communities and forums where her target audience hung out, offering her expertise and building her network. This approach not only brought her new clients, but also created a community of loyal followers who referred her to others. By focusing on these 3 pillars, value, system, and people, Sarah was able to grow her consulting business quickly and sustainably. She now enjoys the freedom of running her own business and helping others achieve financial stability. 2. Real estate agency. Next, let's talk about starting a real estate agency. You might think real estate is all about physical properties, or maybe you need to be a broker, all of that. You're right. But there's a huge online component to it as well. If you're starting fresh, more than likely, you will have to work with a licensed real estate broker first in your local jurisdiction. But that's besides the point. No worries. It's just as good as working for yourself. The internet is a game changer in that industry. I want to share the story of Jack, a traditional real estate agent who was struggling to keep up with the changing market, spending countless hours, open houses, client meetings, feeling burnt out and ineffective. Everything changed when he started using digital tools to create virtual tours and listings. So how did he do it? He leveraged the 3 core pillar framework to digital marketing, focusing on value, system, people. Let's break it down. First, Jack identified what unique value he could offer in a very competitive real estate market. He realized that high quality virtual tours and detailed online listings were key. By investing in professional photography, 3D virtual tour software that the broker already provided, Jack created compelling, immersive online experiences for potential buyers. This value proposition sets him apart from traditional agents who relied solely on in-person visits, making it easier for clients to explore properties from the comfort of their homes. Next, Jack built a system to manage his online operations efficiently. He set up a user-friendly website with an integrated CRM, also linked in the description, to track and manage client interactions. Automation tools helped him handle inquiries, schedule virtual tours, and follow up with leads seamlessly. He also utilized email marketing to keep potential buyers informed about new listings and market updates. This system allowed Jack to scale his operations and maintain high levels of service without getting overwhelmed by manual tasks. Lastly, Jack focused on people. Understanding the importance of relationships in real estate, he used social media platforms to engage with his audience, share market insights, and provide personalized advice. He joined online real estate forums and local community groups where he offered his expertise and built a network of potential clients and collaborators. By maintaining a strong online presence and actively engaging with his community, Jack was able to build trust and attract a steady stream of clients. By focusing on these three pillars, value, system, and people, Jack was able to transform his business. He closed a high-value deal entirely online and now runs a highly successful online real estate agency with clients from all over the country, all thanks to the robust online presence. If you're passionate about real estate and enjoy connecting with people, starting an online version of your real estate agency can be a lucrative, exciting venture. 3, web development service. Now, let's move on to web development services. This is a booming field with endless opportunities. You don't need to know how to code. Every business needs a website, and if you have the skills to create one very easily, you are in high demand. Meet Rachel, who started out as a self-taught web developer. She was a graphic designer who wanted to expand her skill sets. Her journey involved learning web development. It's all available on YouTube. And taking a small freelance project. She built a website for a local business and saw how much it created their online presence and sales. She started getting referrals and more clients. Rachel now runs a successful web development, working with clients worldwide and enjoying the flexibility of her business. Rachel leveraged the 3 core pillars of digital marketing: value, system, and people to propel her business. By focusing on value, she ensured her websites were not just visually appealing, but also highly functional and user-friendly, directly enhancing her clients' online presence. Implementing robust systems allowed her to streamline her workflow, manage projects efficiently, and deliver consistent results, which was critical for scaling her business. Finally, by prioritizing people, of course, Rachel built strong communication, relationships with clients leading to word-of-mouth referrals and repeat business. This people-centric approach also helped her understand client needs better, tailoring her services to provide maximum benefit. If you have a knack for web presence and a passion for creating web development, it's a fantastic business to start. Plus, you can work from anywhere and on your own schedule. It can also be attached to residual and passive income from hosting websites for your clients on an ongoing basis. Do you want to learn more about how to start any of these businesses online today? Head over to www.myempirepro.com/3pillar system and download my free book, Digital Marketing Certified, for free. You will also find my contact information there. This one. Number 4, content creator. Fourth on our list is becoming a content creator. This is a broad category that includes bloggers, YouTubers, podcasters, and social media influencers. If you love talking, sharing, teaching, engaging with an audience, this could be the perfect fit for you. Take Emily for an example. A passionate traveler who loved sharing her experiences with friends and families. She started a travel blog and posted regularly. When her blog started gaining traction and she received positive feedback from readers, she knew she had found her life calling. She started monetizing her blog through ads and sponsorships, Emily now travels full-time, funds her adventures through her blog, and has built a vibrant community of followers. Emily's success can be attributed to the three core pillars: digital marketing, value, system, and people. By focusing on value, Emily ensured her content was informative, engaging, and useful for our audience, which helped her blog stand out in the crowded travel niche. She understood the market's need for genuine travel experiences and tips, tailoring her posts to meet these needs. In terms of system, Emily used customer relationship management, CRM, and content management system tools to streamline her workflow. The CRM helped her manage interactions with readers and potential sponsors, fostering a loyal audience. The CMS allowed her to organize her content efficiently, schedule posts, and optimize her blog for search engines, significantly boosting her online visibility. Finally, Emily prioritized people by conducting market research and understanding her audience preferences and behaviors. This analysis helped her identify content that resonated and allowed trust with her followers. By engaging with her community through comments, social media, and newsletters, she built strong relationships that encouraged reader loyalty and increased her blog's reach. If you have a message to share or a passion to pursue, becoming a content creator can be incredibly rewarding. You can build a community, influence others, and create multiple income streams through ads, sponsorships, and products. 5. Digital marketing agency. Last but certainly not least, let's talk about starting a digital marketing agency. In today's digital age, businesses need to be online to succeed, and they need experts to help them navigate the digital landscape. Let me introduce you to Mark, digital marketing whiz. He started out managing social media for a few small businesses. His journey involved learning everything he could about search engine optimization, SEO, content marketing, and paid advertising. He went all in when he realized how much impact well-executed online campaigns would have on a business. He was helping a local business increase their online sales by 200% within 3 months. Mark now runs his own digital marketing agency, helping businesses grow and thrive online. Mark's success is rooted in the three core pillars of digital marketing: value, system, and people. By focusing on value, Mark ensured his services met the unique needs of his clients. He offered comprehensive digital marketing solutions that significantly enhanced his clients' online presence and sales, providing clear, measurable benefits. Mark's deep understanding of the market allowed him to craft strategies that directly addressed client pain points, setting his agency apart from competitors. In terms of systems, Mark leveraged customer relationship management, CRM, and content management system tools to optimize his operations. The CRM system enabled him to manage client relationships effectively, track interactions, and nurture leads, ensuring high client retention and satisfaction. The CMS helped streamline content creation and management, allowing Mark to efficiently produce, schedule, and analyze content performance across various platforms. Mark prioritized people by conducting thorough market research analysis. This approach helped him identify target demographics, understanding consumer behavior, which in turn informed more precise and effective marketing strategies. By staying attuned to the latest industry trends and continuously engaging with clients and their audiences, Mark was able to refine his services and deliver exceptional results. Skilled in digital marketing and enjoy helping businesses succeed, starting an agency can be a highly profitable, satisfying business. You get to work with diverse clients and constantly learn new strategies, all while playing a crucial role in driving business growth in the digital era. So there you have it. 5 incredible online businesses you can start today, whether it's consulting, real estate, web development, content creation, and digital marketing. The opportunities are endless. If you're ready to take the next step and want some guidance, don't forget to reach out to us at www.myempirepro.com/3pillarsystem to download my book for free at Digital Marketing Certified to kickstart your journey. Thanks for watching, and remember, the best time to start is now. Let's build those empires together. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you never miss a video. Until next time, keep learning, keep earning, keep building. See you in this next video. See you.